Hey you guys, this is Raphael. I hope you're all healthy today. I hope you're having a good day and I hope you're staying away from each other. A little social distancing doesn't mean you can't collect though. So today I would like to talk about one of the most frequently encountered and one of the most frequently reproduced pieces of Civil War memorabilia. But first I would like to take one quick second and wish the best to the family, friends, and all of us fans of John Prine. Thank you for all that you've meant to us over the years, all the hours of enjoyment I've got from listening to your music. You had a song that talked about what you would do when you got to heaven. I hope today you're getting to enjoy all of those things. And he mentions in that song, one of the first things he wants to do is talk to his mom. So when you get through watching this, call your mom, because that's the first thing I'm going to do. Love you, Mom. Now back to the buckle. These are officially known as the U.S. Model 1839 Enlisted Man's Belt. They're a simply made piece. They're stamped brass on the face. They put lead fill in the back of it to make it more durable, and it is a very sturdy piece, which is why they hold up so well over the years. The buckle of this style generally shows up on a black leather, bridle leather belt. This one is on the original one. It's got the original brass length adjuster on it. And this particular version was made by the Nice Company in Philadelphia, NECE. And they supplied a 3 million man Union Army. The majority of them were wearing these. And not one company could produce that many of them. So there were lots of different manufacturers. So you see a lot of small variations on the letter pattern, on the border pattern. And it's a great thing to collect because they're still, in the big scheme of things, affordable, attractive, and very important. But you have to be careful because they are reproduced fairly regularly. And some of them are made for reenacting purposes, and some of them are just made to steal your money. Be sure when you get one that you get it from somebody that will guarantee it. It needs to be original not only while they have it in their case, but when you get home, you need to have that peace of mind. Any of the pieces you get from us at Shiloh Relics are guaranteed for life. This belt actually has the maker's mark there, and you can also see a stamping. It's a circular stamping from the U.S. Ordnance Department inspector. Because they had so many people making these pieces, some of them were inferior quality and some of them were really good quality. The government had to standardize what they were making. So they took inspectors and they would stamp and approve each piece. This comes very standard in the later parts of the war, 1864 especially. You see it on the belts and on the cartridge boxes and even the cap boxes. This one is very pretty. It's got the original belt, original adjuster, and with the belt these days, they are a piece that you will see priced between $300 and $500 depending on condition and completeness. The buckles themselves, depending on how pretty they are, and that it has all of the hooks still on the back, pretty always sells. And if they've got a really pretty patina like this one does, they can sell them that $250, $300 on their own. So right now, in my mind, is a good time to buy one on the belt because you're not paying that much more for the belt. But that, my friends, is the U.S. Model 1839 Enlisted Man's Belt Buckle. I hope you've enjoyed today. Don't forget to call your mom. And remember, everything's going to be all right because somebody out there loves you and everything's going to be okay. Love you guys. Catch you later.